Hi, my name is Srivenkatakrishnan. This is my CS50 final project, Thirukkural based on human feelings. Let's see what is Thirukkural. Thirukkural is a classical Tamil literature written over 2000 years ago by Thiruvallur. It contains 1330 verses about ethics, self-control and human emotions. Our project concept is very simple. When the user enters a feeling, it shows a relevant Thirukkural verse from relevant chapter using dictionary. How the program works. The program takes the user input and then it validates. It maps to a feeling using a dictionary and displays a random core verse from relevant chapter. That's it. Now I will demonstrate the program. I have used here two libraries in my program, Thirukkural and Aksharamuga. Thirukkural is a library to show Thirukkural versus translation. Aksharamuga is used to transliterate the Tamil verses. I did not take too complicated, so I have used only few emotions here. Okay, now I will run the program. It shows some options above. For example, I will type hanger here. It shows here Thirukkural about hanger. If I press enter, it shows another Thirukkural from this emotion. Yeah, we get different Kural verse about hanger. If I press N, it asks for new feeling. Example, now I am type love. It shows a Thirukkural about love. If I type wrong emotion or not described emotion in the dictionary, it will ask the user input again. Now I will type something blah blah blah. This is invalid feeling, so it asks again for the user input. We can simply press Q to quit the program. I hope you like my program. Thank you for watching.